Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert check mark in Excel program. So first of all open your Excel program and after that click on insert. Now click on symbols, select symbol. Now in the font section click on this drop down menu icon and in here select windings, this one, and character code enter 252 and click on insert. So select cell where you want to insert symbol, windings and 252 character, this one, and click on insert. Close. You can customize by highlight, like you can change the size, color, like this. So friends, by this easy and simple method you can insert check mark in Excel program. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more update.